Dear viewers, in previous video you have learned about definition, composition and uses of ointment. While in this video you will get awareness about characteristics and application of ointment. Point number 1 and 2, as discussed in previous video, this is point number 3, that is characteristics. One of the characteristics is occlusive nature. Because of their only base, ointments are occlusive, meaning they create a barrier on the skin that can prevent moisture loss and protect against external irritants. Second characteristic is texture and feel. Ointments are generally greasier and thicker than creams or lotions, which can make them less cosmetically appealing for use on large areas or during the day. Fourth point is application. Ointments should be applied to clean, dry skin. The area should be covered with a thin layer of the ointment, and it's usually advisable to wash hands before and after application. This was all about characteristics and application of ointment. While in the next video on Saturday, you will learn about types of ointment and advantages and disadvantages of ointment. Dear viewers, if you like this video, you are requested to please share and subscribe it. Thanks a lot.